Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to India Web Fest 2019, powered by IWM Buzz. And today we have with us a very special guest, Mr. V. Rajwan Singh. Pleasure having you over here.
Thank you so much.
So what do you have to say regarding this magnanimous event that's happening? Web space, a lot of good content coming up. इसका एक celebration आप बोल सकते हो रहा है यहाँ पे. कैसा लग रहा है आपको यहाँ पे?
I see a lot of young people around. I see a lot of similar faces that I've seen in the
Yeah.
So I'm really happy. This is like Ma vibe sort of place. It's nice.
And apart from your panel, you know, any other panel that you're particularly looking forward to या फिर मिस हो गए? आप आए कितने बजे?
To Shefali Shah.
Shefali Shah.
I'm a fan. And I've had a crush on her. I just want to look at her. I've never seen her personally.
I think it's a match-to-match moment because you have a crush on Shefali Shah, I have a crush on Dia Mirza.
Oh.
Because the session is being, moderated by the same person, Ramkumar Mukherjee.
So I think we should tell all the people like us, they should not only look at someone, they should also listen to, because they are here to talk.
Absolutely. So, ये जो बना है यहाँ पे regarding whatever the web series and all that has been coming up, you know, last few years have been sensational for the web platform. अब देखो अगर तो 2-3 साल में जो content यहाँ पे बना है is actually giving tough competition to movies and television. So मैंने काफ़ी लोगों को पूछा, मैं आपको भी पूछना चाहूँगा कि ये जो है कि web series, do you think it will coexist with movies and television, या फिर there will be a time in the future जहाँ पे it'll actually be difficult for TV and movies to like retain their position? क्या लगता है आपको?
I mean, we had the similar thing when television was coming into existence. We thought that television is going to go in each and every bedroom, and people will stop going to cinemas and everything. But at the end of the day, it's different medium doing different things to you. Like what a film can do to you, not a web show can. What a web show can do to you, not a film can. So I think we just have one more option. It is not something about that one thing is going to take over the other thing. It is something about that we had 2 options, now we have 3. Let's so just hope for the days we'll have 4, 5, 6, I don't know how many.
आते रहे, बढ़ते रहे, no problem. So regarding the entire platform, we have talked about web series, we have talked about movies. What I want to talk to you about right now is that there's a lot of build-up regarding web series. Like a lot of people especially say that filmmakers are right now going to web series because movies में you see a lot of censorship and all coming up. कि अच्छा यार इसको web series में बनाते हैं तो यार वो censorship का issue उतना नहीं रहेगा. लेकिन movies में बनाएंगे तो यार ये कट सा जाएगा, वो कट सा जाएगा. So do you think this is also enhancing web series in a way?
Yes, of course. Also, at the end of the day, if there is a businessman, if there's a producer who wants to put in his money in film or web shows, I think by the time web shows will give you that much of amount that a film gives, I think web shows will be a better idea, because again, for the same reason that there's no censorship.
Absolutely.
So then यार कभी-कभी डर नहीं लगता कि आएगी
बहुत डर लगता है, बहुत डर लगता है. कभी ना कभी तो आ जाएगा, पक्का आ जाएगा.
के लिए हम डर रहे हैं. I think producers.
I think there's a कहावत कि our worst fears always come true. हम लोग इसको सोच रहे हैं, बाद में जब आ जाएगा.
Let's not jinx it. It's not happening right now.
I don't hope.
Let's just hope it's not gonna happen. That's it.
So एक game खेलते हैं छोटा सा. It's like you have to just pick one. Which one you use more, Instagram or Snapchat?
I am not on Snapchat.
So Instagram?
Yeah.
Obviously, because you don't use it. So what's the funda for you? Million views is what is more important to you, or a trending video? सोचना पड़ेगा.
I think if you have a trending video, it goes to a million.
So it correlates.
There's another answer in the answer.
ढूंढ लो उसको फिर.
Yeah.
So security following or fan following?
What is the difference of
security following in the sense मतलब कि यार आप जब रहते हो यहाँ पे तो around the security and everything that वहाँ पे एक kind of fan following जो रहता है
around the security. No, fuck that. Oh, sorry. Fan following, security following.
This is web, no censorship.
Yeah.
चलेगा सब कुछ. The last one, GoPro or camera phone?
GoPro. I love GoPro.
Super. Pleasure talking to you.
Thank you so much.
I hope you have a wonderful time.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.